Welcome back to my channel, Mega Auto World! Today, we are diving into a masterpiece of automotive luxury, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. From the very first glance, this vehicle exudes sophistication, elegance, and sheer opulence that only Rolls-Royce can deliver. Imagine combining the unmatched luxury of a Rolls-Royce with the freedom and comfort of a motorhome. This is exactly what the 2026 edition offers. The exterior design is sleek, yet imposing, with a perfectly sculpted body that radiates both power and grace. Every curve and line has been meticulously crafted to create an aesthetic that is timeless, while also embracing modern aerodynamic enhancements for smooth and effortless driving. The front grille is unmistakably Rolls-Royce, commanding attention on every road, and the signature spirit of ecstasy adorns the hood, a symbol of prestige and refinement. The body comes in a mesmerizing combination of metallic pearl white and subtle gold accents, catching sunlight in a way that makes the vehicle look like it is glowing. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the interiors, while offering breathtaking views wherever you go. The wheels are custom, designed, polished to perfection, and paired with an advanced suspension system that ensures a ride as smooth as silk. Step inside, and you are immediately greeted by an interior that redefines what a motorhome can be. The craftsmanship is nothing short of extraordinary, with hand-stitched leather seats, polished wood veneers, and brushed aluminum trims creating an ambience of unmatched sophistication. Every inch of the cabin is meticulously detailed, from the plush carpets to the ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted to suit your mood. The driving area is equipped with a state-of-the-art dashboard, featuring a fully digital interface that blends traditional Rolls-Royce elegance with cutting-edge technology. Navigation, climate control, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics are all accessible with a simple touch or voice command. The steering wheel is ergonomically designed for comfort on long journeys, and the seats are fully adjustable with massage and cooling functions, ensuring the ultimate driving experience. The living area transforms the concept of travel, offering a full-sized sofa, a luxury dining table, and a compact yet fully equipped kitchenette that allows you to enjoy gourmet meals on the go. High-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, refrigerator, and coffee machine, ensure convenience without compromising style. The bedroom area is a sanctuary of rest and tranquility, featuring a king-sized bed with a mattress that adapts to your body's shape for maximum comfort. Soft ambient lighting and soundproofing provide a peaceful atmosphere, perfect for a restful sleep no matter where you are. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated, maintaining a minimalist look while providing ample space for all your essentials. The bathroom is no less luxurious, featuring a rainfall shower, marble countertops, and high-end fixtures that rival five-star hotels. Rolls-Royce has truly thought of every detail, creating a motorhome that not only travels in style, but lives in style. Entertainment is at the forefront, with multiple high-definition screens throughout the cabin, a premium sound system, and connectivity options that allow streaming, gaming, and work without interruptions. Under the hood, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is powered by a robust V12 engine, delivering effortless power and a whisper-quiet ride. Advanced suspension and chassis technology ensure stability and comfort even on challenging terrains. Safety is paramount, with cutting-edge driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation systems keeping you secure at all times. Every journey feels both exhilarating and serene, combining performance with luxury seamlessly. This motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it is a statement. It represents freedom without compromise, allowing you to explore the world while indulging in the pinnacle of automotive luxury. Whether parked at a scenic overlook or cruising down the highway, it commands attention and admiration from everyone around. Rolls-Royce has pushed the boundaries of design, technology, and comfort to create a motorhome that redefines the standards of luxury travel. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the choice of materials, speaks of excellence and a dedication to perfection that few brands can match. For those who demand the ultimate in travel, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is the epitome of prestige, comfort, and innovation. It is not just about getting from one place to another. It is about experiencing every moment of the journey in unparalleled style. The combination of cutting-edge technology, exquisite craftsmanship, and timeless elegance makes this vehicle a true masterpiece, an icon on wheels, and a dream come true for automotive enthusiasts and luxury travelers alike. If you are passionate about cars, inspired by luxury, and fascinated by innovation, this 2026 Rolls-Royce motorhome is sure to captivate your imagination. From the moment you lay eyes on it to the first time you take it for a spin, every experience is designed to leave a lasting impression. Rolls-Royce has once again proven why it is the benchmark for automotive excellence. And with this motorhome, they have redefined what it means to travel in comfort, style, and sophistication. Thank you for joining me today on Mega Auto World. If you love this exploration of the 2026 Rolls-Royce motorhome, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to witness the finest vehicles from around the world. Stay tuned for more exclusive insights, luxurious rides, and automotive masterpieces that redefine travel and lifestyle. Until next time, drive in style and live in luxury.